Well, somebody who is keeping his skin tight and right is 50-year-old Deion Sanders, y'all. Now, guess what, y'all?
What?
Oh, my God. Baby, let me tell y'all, honey, he is not ashamed, honey, to admit, y'all, to the secret of his youthful look, and guess what it is?
What?
Botox.
Really?
Oh, Botox.
Okay.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
You can afford it.
Right.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Well, honey, Deion said, quote, I notice frown lines and crow's feet. He said, I'm like, I have to, honey. I got to do something about this. So he got Botox, and now he says that he has a new lease on life. 50 is the new 21. He said, I feel young, I feel energetic, I feel like taking on the world, honey. I feel like at halftime in my life. And now it's time to go into the locker room and reassess things and come back out with a whole new plan.
All right,
What kind of
Deion.
Botox did he get?
Bitch. Huh?
What kind of Botox did he got?
Thank
Red
you.
Bull Botox.
Yes, honey. He said he gonna go into the locker room and come back out.
And
see.
reassess things.
Oh.
So my thing is this, you can't see the facial expressions anymore if you do too much Botox. You don't know if
Yeah.
you could just say, bitch, or what? Because you like,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need to see when your damn left eyebrow is twitching, because that's telling me that you've been lying.
really?
Or if your middle of your forehead, you get that little line in there where you're trying to think of an answer.